This footage has been recorded by Samsung Galaxy S24. This is the basic phone. There are two other models of S24 like S24 Ultra and S24 Plus. So this footage has been recorded by the base model Samsung Galaxy S24. So first of all, video zoom capability we are checking. So 14 times zoom is available here. First of all, 0.6 times zoom, 1 time zoom, 2 times zoom and 3 times zoom. And if you go inside the 3 times zoom, then you will find 14 times zoom. This is video zoom which is being shown on the screen. And video is quite smooth. Even if you zoom it or zoom out, it is very smooth experience. And now I am checking photo zoom capability, and total 30 times photo zoom capability is there. In video zoom you get 3 times, and inside 3 times you get 14 zoom. So particularly 14 into 3, 42 times zoom is there in video form, and in photo you get 30 times zoom. So particularly zooming experience is better. If you have to take picture, then you can use telephoto zoom, telephoto lens you can use. Or if you want to record video, then you can also use zooming capability of in video. Both are smooth, both are better. Thank you very much for watching the video.